Damn, looks really bad out there. Snow's coming down really hard. And I wouldn't be here if I didn't lose that game to the others. Now I gotta stay here for the night. At least they were nice and gave me supplies. This should last for the night. I should probably get a fire going. Where's the wood? Ah, here it is. What is that? Why is it getting closer? I'll go check it out. It looks like a Nomu, but a Nomu wouldn't come out this far, right? I'll get a little closer. What are you doing out here? Are you an enemy? I see. Come, I have a cabin nearby. You can stay there for the night, but we gotta hurry. The snow's starting to pick up. Come on, we're almost there. Just a little bit further. There. We should be safe. It looks like we'll be snowed in by tomorrow. I didn't expect to find someone else. Looks like I'll have to figure out how to split the supplies. Sorry about that. Let me get that started. There. That should last for the night. You want something to drink? I have bottled water and some cocoa mix. You got it. Here. So what's someone like you doing out here in the first place? You too? Well, coincidentally, I'm in the same situation as well, but I'm forced to stay here for the night. Yeah. Anyway, I need to check if my friends pack blankets, so give me a minute. Looks like they did. But they only packed one. Here, you can have it. I can sleep near the fire. There should be a bed in that corner. You can have it. It's okay, I'm used to it. Though this may not be tatami, this will have to do. You moved the mattress near the fireplace. You are aware that it may catch on fire, right? Clever. I wouldn't have thought of that. But are we supposed to share the bed? You're right. I've never slept with anyone else before, especially on the same bed. That could work. At least it makes it less awkward. Anyway, you go ahead and sleep. I need to do some thinking. Huh? Shouldn't you be asleep already? We have the fire near us. Is that not enough? So, how do you want me to help? You mean Like cuddling? If it helps. This feels weird, yet it feels nice. So this is what cuddling feels like. I've seen couples doing it, and it looked pleasant. You too. How long do you want to stay like this, by the way? Not at all. I'm starting to enjoy this more than I should. Well, I can take you to the place I'm staying at with my friends. We'll contact your friends on where you're at. Yeah, for now, let's get some sleep. Good night.